Hey everyone, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Kevin, and we're with Interstate Explorers, and today we're getting organized.
I'm going to show you how to organize your pantry. Ever since we ordered the Brinkley, I've been wondering how am I going to organize it? There's tons of storage everywhere, which is awesome, but also overwhelming because I'm the type of person that I need everything to have a certain spot. So one of those areas is the pantry. It's huge and the shelves are open and they're large, so I want to make sure that I maximize the space, but also make sure food doesn't fall over when we're driving. So I'm going to take you inside and show you what I've done. So I first want to start off and show you guys that one of the things Brinkley has done since the first units have come off the floor is that they added a little protector here so that when you open the pantry, it doesn't damage the fridge. So let's take a look inside. There are 4 shelves. They are adjustable too, so that's great. And then there's a lot of space on the bottom here. I went to Target and I got these baskets right here that fit perfectly actually in the shelf. If you guys notice, there's a lip here, so it keeps the baskets from moving when you're driving. So these baskets were, I think, $8, and here is the information if you want to pick them up yourself. So I bought a couple of those. I'm going to put a bunch of small things in here, and then one of the cool things about the pantry here is that there's an outlet, so you can put your coffee maker right here and you don't have to take it out and plug it in every time you want to make a cup of coffee. So I put our coffee maker here, and then I bought this turntable also from Target, so I plan on putting some coffee pods in here and smaller items so that I can easily just shift it around here. Here is the brand, so if you want to pick that up yourself. And then in these other shelves, I plan on putting larger items. And I also bought some shelf liner. I haven't put that down yet so that they don't move when I put anything up there. But you see here, 2 baskets fit easily on the shelf. And I'd love to hear more about what you've done in your Brinkley as well.